Now let's talk about a very special week in the summer called Almedalen.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Almedalen is an annual event taking place in and around the park Almedalen in Visby on the island of Gotland in the week 27. The origin of the week began in 1968 when the then candidate for party leader within the Social Democrats gave a speech in the park Almedalen. His name was Olof Palme. The first actual Almedalen week was in 1982 with all the major political parties present. Okay, so this is your first time at Almedalen?
Yes.
What are your impressions? What stands out?
For the first time, I see Swedish people actually interacting with everyone. You walk down the street and you're like, hey, how's it going? And then you just chit-chat with people and all of a sudden you have a lunch in like December. I don't know. Well, not December, maybe August.
Actually, most Swedes who have never been here, they only think that this is about politics because that's what they see on the news. But it's so not true. Journalists, lobbyists, employees from local, regional and national organizations and representatives of non-governmental organizations as well as activists are all coming to Visby to meet, discuss politics and socialize. Because you can actually be here for a whole week and not run into anything that has to do with politics.
It's a meeting platform for people with power and people who want to take place and have more power. So for me, it's a place where young people get to express their opinions and their thoughts about politics to people that make big decisions and do care about what young people think.
I am very much into sustainability right now, so there's lots of seminars on that, which I thought were great. Also some trade related. Of course, the ICC did great things, but also marketing, which you were part of today, or you were at least there in the audience, and that was great as well. And we talk about influencer marketing.
If you are a constant yay sayer, you will come home with a lot of pamphlets, a lot of brochures from this place. You need to pick what's right for you. In the last few years, the week has become increasingly bigger and is now considered the most important forum in Swedish politics. Each political party in parliament has a day devoted to them on a rotating schedule. And each night during this week, it culminates politically with the leader of a party or a spokesperson of a party giving a speech for about an hour on their standpoints. And as in the case in 2018, present their direction for the national election in September. So what about the voice of the young people?
I think it's beginning to become a little bit more represented, but we still have a long way to go. I was at a seminar yesterday where I was the only one who was like under 30 or 35 years old. So I think that's something that needs to be changed because I think a lot of people want to hear young people's opinions, but it's quite hard to get here if you don't have the economy or the age or the network to be here with an organization.
What do you think about the concept of this week?
I like it. I like it. It's like a fair. Everybody comes together for a week. They talk, they meet, people that would never meet otherwise. I mean, of course you can have that in Stockholm and there's seminars and there's whatever. But for the first time you actually have people just casually meeting as well, without having to book an appointment or whatever it is. So that's very good. Very much connecting people.
An important factor is that all seminars that happens in buildings, tents, under trees, in restaurants, in gardens, on boats and so on are free of charge, and the majority of these are open to everybody. So I hope you learned something about activism, about politics, about social change, and what this week is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you the next time you click on one of my videos. Bye.